I'm your teacher, Master Cromwell Cortez. Today, I'll be teaching MLP Social Studies. This will be our part 2. We had discussed about map of Thailand last time, so this is just a short review of our lesson. Vocabulary. The first word, agriculture. Agriculture. It is the growing of crops for food and keeping of animals. We grow animals like cows, goats, sheep. Agriculture. Revenue. Revenue. It is the money received by a government or a company so that government can also give back to its people the services. Advancement. Advancement. It is the forward movement of a society. It is getting modern, more techy. That's why compared from many years ago, we don't have internet. Now there are lots and lots of internet and information is abound. The fourth word, province. Province. Province are the main parts in which countries are divided. Thailand has 77 provinces. Bangkok is a province. Samut Prakan is a province. Scuba diving. Scuba diving. It is an activity in which a person swims underwater using a special breathing equipment. It can swim up to 100, 200 deep. These activities are mostly in the south of Thailand or wherever there are beaches. The other one is snorkeling. Snorkeling. This is different from scuba diving. Snorkeling is just below the surface of water using a short tube. Capital. Capital is a town or city where the central government of a country is located. Like in Thailand, the capital city is Bangkok. Weather. It is the state of the atmosphere. Weather. How's the weather today? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it rainy, cloudy, snowy? These are weather. Now, a short review. Where is Thailand located in the world map? Again, Thailand is located in the Southeast Asia. Thailand is located in the Southeast Asia and is surrounded by the Indian Ocean and South China Sea. If you see the map, there is north, south, east, and west. The Southeast Asia has got 10 countries, one of which is Thailand. Thailand is divided into 6 regions: the northern region, southern, eastern, western, northeastern, and the central region. In part 1, I have discussed about the northern, southern, and eastern region, each with its own number of provinces. The northern region has got 9 provinces. Southern region has got 14 provinces. The eastern region, that's where Pattaya is, has got 7 provinces. Meanwhile, the western region, which has the least number of provinces, has got only 5 provinces. The northeastern region, or Pak Isan, the Isan region, has got 20 provinces. And lastly, the central region has the most number of provinces. It has got 22. All in all, total provinces of Thailand are 77. Capital city is in Bangkok, or locals know it as Krungthep. As you can see in the map behind me, Thailand is divided into 6 regions. You can see the colors. North represented by the green, south orange, central light blue, the west is pink, east is purple, and northeast is light brown. Now, these are the beautiful places that you can see in the northern region. This one is Doi Suthep, and this one is Doi Intanon. I hope you have gone there. You should try to explore more of your country, but not right now. So again, the provinces in the northern region, there are 9. Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Lampang, Lamphun, Mae Hong Son, Nan, Phayao, Phrae, Uttaradit. We go to the northeastern region, consisting of, it has a lot of hills and mountains, and the weather is very hot and dry. It is different from the northern region, in which it is very cold. Now, the important places you can find there are, who can guess? Is this one? It is the Stone Castle of Himay. And this is the Nakhon Phanom city. It has got 20 provinces. The central region, in which Samut Prakan is located, it consists of a very large, it's flat, like this table, it's flat. The land is flat and it's good for growing plants because the land is fertile. It is good to plant in those kind of land because there's a main river that is flowing through this region. And one of the biggest one is Chao Phraya River. This allows people to grow a lot of rice. Thailand is also known as the Rice Bowl of Asia. We are one of the top 3 leading export countries exporting rice to other countries. There's India, Thailand, and Vietnam. So in the central region, it is very hot and wet. The people work as gardeners and mostly work in the factory. Places to visit are Don Wai Floating Market and the Grand Palace. Right beside him is the Wat Po. You can explore it. So these are the provinces in the central region. All in all, it's got 22. So the summary, if you want to know the detail, you should try to freeze the screen and look at the summary that I made to you. Today, we will be talking right now of the eastern region, western region, and the southern region for our part 2. The eastern region of Thailand. This consists of mountains and beaches on both sides. There are beaches on the left, there are beaches on the right. The weather is hot and also rainy. The people work similar to other regions. They work as gardeners. They grow fruits such as durian, mangosteen, and rubber trees. Important places to visit are the Samet Islands, or called Samet, and the famous Pattaya Beach. So this one is the Samet, called Samet, and this one is in Pattaya. Have you been to Pattaya? I think most of us have been there. The provinces in the eastern region, if you look at the map, there are 7. Number 1 is Chachoengsao. Number 2, Chantaburi. The third one, Chonburi. The fourth one, Prachinburi. Number 5, Rayong. 6, Sakeo. And 7, Trat. The eastern region has 7 provinces. Now we go to the next region, which is the western region. This is the region in which it is near the Indian Ocean and it is bordered with Myanmar. In the map, this is where you can find the western region. Since it is near the ocean, the weather is very hot. The people work as gardeners or factory workers, similar to that of the central region. And the important places to visit are the Erawan waterfalls. It has 7 floors. Next is we have Cha'am and Wahin Beach. Tinakarin Dam is one of the biggest dams in the country. Khao Sam-Royot National Park, and I failed to write, this is the bridge of River Kwai. So who can guess what this is? This is the Erawan waterfall. And this one is Sinakarin Dam. And the bridge and the River Kwai. This bridge is a historical bridge built during World War II, built by the American and Allied prisoners of the Imperial Japan. The prisoners built these railroads so that trains or supplies from Myanmar going to Thailand can be easily brought or delivered. Try to visit most of the places as often as possible. Provinces in the western region has only 5. The western region has the least number of provinces. These are, number 1, Kanchanaburi, 2, Ratchaburi, 3, Phetchaburi, 4, Prachuap Khiri Khan, 5, Tak. Finally, we go to the southern region of Thailand. The southern region of Thailand is on the Malay Peninsula with an area of around 70,740 kilometers square or 27,303 square miles. So this region, the southern region, the closest country is Malaysia. It is bordered with Malaysia, another country. As you can see, the map, southern region is down south, next to Malaysia. Now, southern region, similar to that of western region, it has mountains with beaches on both sides. The weather is hot and wet. And it rains a lot throughout the year. It means to say that from January to December, it rains throughout the year. It may not be every day, but it rains throughout the year. Now, the people work as gardeners. They grow fruits and rubber trees. Since most of it are near the peninsula and the Gulf of Thailand, most people are also fishermen. Now, if you go to the south, there are many beautiful beaches where people can enjoy snorkeling, scuba diving, or island hopping, or visiting from one island to the other island. You can go by boat or speedboat. Now, snorkeling and scuba diving are activities that involves going to the beach. Scuba diving, you have to go under Snorkeling, you just have to swim in the surface like this. This one is snorkeling. And this one is scuba diving. Such a wonderful activity. Now, the provinces in the southern Thailand, it consists of 14 in all of it. Chumpon, Krabi, Nakhon Si Thammarat, Narathiwat, Pattani, Phang Pathalung. Number 8, Phuket. 9, Ranong. 10, Satun. 11, Songkhla. 12, Surat Thani. 13, Trang. 14, Yala. Now, if you are to compare these three regions, you may pause the screen and watch the important details. Look into it, the important details that you need to know. The region, the landscape, the weather, people's job, occupation, the important places to visit, and the number of provinces in each region, so that you can answer some of the focus questions that I'm going to discuss. Write this on a notebook. You have to buy your own social notebook. First question, which region has the least number of provinces? Of the three regions that I have discussed today, which of those three has the least number of provinces? Number 2, if you look at the map of Thailand, which region is closest to Malaysia? Which region is closest to Malaysia? Number 3, what is the similarity, the same thing? There is a similarity between the eastern region and the western region. Try to find the information. Again, go to the summary. Number 4, how many provinces does the southern region have? How many provinces does the southern region have? Phuket is one of which. Number 5, where is Erawan Waterfall located? Which region is it located? Is it in the south, east, or west? You find out. And another thing, after you answer these on your notebook, write each provinces per region. So it means to say that you are going to write northern region and then the number of provinces. Next page, northeastern region, and then write all the provinces. Next page, the central region, write all provinces. The same goes for western, eastern, and southern. Write all the provinces. I will collect your notebooks when we meet. Stay safe by staying at home. Thank you.